Halo semuanya, selamat datang kembali di Mom's Kitchen. So, hi everyone, welcome back to Mom's Kitchen. Sekarang kita mau buat, Mami mau bikin apa, Mam, hari ini, Mam?
Nasi kuning.
So, Mami mau bikin nasi kuning. So, my mom is gonna make yellow rice, Indonesian yellow rice today, okay? So, ini yang kita butuhkan untuk bikin nasi kuning, okay? Indonesian nasi kuning, Indonesian yellow rice. Pertama-tama bahannya kita mau bikin kira-kira 8 cups, kita butuh 8 cups beras. 1 cup ini sekitar 160 ml ya, 160 ml. So kita bikin 160 kali 8 cups. So we need 8 cups of rice, and then kita butuh 3 piece serai, tiga panjang serai yang sudah digeprek. So we need 3 piece lemongrass, which is already smashed. We smash the lemongrass, so the flavor gonna come out. And kita butuh sekitar 15 lembar daun jeruk purut. So we need about 15 piece of lime leaves, satu potong lemon, okay. We need 1 slice of lemon. Terus kita butuh sekitar 10 lembar, kita butuh sekitar 5 lembar daun salam. We need 5 piece of bay leaves. Ini optional ya, kita perlu sekitar 3 lembar daun pandan. So this is optional. If you don't have it, if you cannot try it, it's okay too. This is called pandan leaves. We need 3 piece of pandan leaves, which is the original is like long, but we tied it up like this, okay? And kita butuh sekitar 1,5 sendok teh kunyit, bubuk kunyit. Kita pakai bubuk ya, bubuk kunyit. So we need about 1,5 teaspoon turmeric powder. Kita butuh sekitar 3 sendok teh garam, 3 teaspoon salt, dan kita butuh 1,2 liter atau 1.200 ml santan, atau so we need about 1,200 milliliters coconut milk, dan some of the water, okay. We gonna add it up how much is the water is later on, okay. Oke, pertama-tama kita akan lihat ya gimana kita mau sebelum lupa, ini berasnya kita udah cuci dulu ya. So before I forgot, this one the rice we already wash it first, okay. Now kita mau lihat gimana cara kita masak this nasi kuning ya. So now we gonna see how we make the Indonesian yellow rice, okay. Oke, pertama-tama kita siapkan panci. Semua santannya yang 1.200 ml kita masukin ke dalam panci. So first of all, we prepare a pot. So we put out all the coconut milk, 1,200 milliliter, all the coconut milk inside this pot, and then we add about 500 milliliter water. So kita tambahkan sekitar 500 ml air, okay. Selanjutnya kita mau kita put on the heat, kita mau turn on apinya ya. Kita nyalain apinya, api besar dulu. So we turn on the heat with the high heat first of all. Sambil kita menunggu kita heat santannya, kita mau masukkan turmericnya ya. Tuh kita hancurin bubuk kunyitnya. Coba kita aduk sedikit dengan santan. Kita ambil sedikit tadi santannya, kita aduk di bowl. So after we put the heat of the for the coconut milk, now we take a little bit of the coconut milk, we put it inside the turmeric powder, and then we mix it, so dilute it. So now we put it all the turmeric powder into the coconut milk, okay. So this one is about the 1,5 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So about 1,5 sendok kunyit bubuk ya, bubuk kunyit. Terus kita aduk rata. Oke, sekarang berikutnya Mami masukin apa?
Garam.
Okay, so kita masukin garamnya. So the next we put the salt inside. Setelah itu kita masukkan, kita peres itu apa, lemon jeruknya. So we squeeze the one slice of lemon. Okay. The berikutnya kita masukkan daun pandannya. So we put inside the pandan leaves. Berikutnya kita masukkan serai. So we put it the lemongrass. The one is already smashed. The lemongrass, the bay leaves, daun salamnya kita masukin, sama daun jeruk putnya, and the lime leaves. Okay, we put it, we mix it, we all together in the pot. Okay, and we wait until it's boiling. Okay, just be careful. You have to watch it because when it's boiling, because this is a coconut milk, where it's gonna be like going up and up. Okay, so you have to be careful. So we wait until it's boil. Okay. Sekarang sudah mendidih. Now is boiling already the coconut milk. Mami udah cobain, rasanya kurang garam ya. Tambahin sekitar setengah sendok teh lagi garam. So mom is already taste the coconut milk. She add a little bit salt, about half teaspoon salt. Now we put the rice inside the coconut milk. Sekarang kita masukin berasnya ke dalam coconut milk yang sudah mendidih. So we put it inside the boiling coconut milk. Okay. Sekarang kita aduk-aduk. Now we mix it together. Okay. Dan sampai kapan ini, Mam?
Sampai airnya habis.
Okay, so kita keep stirring it until sampai kita aduk terus sampai kira-kira airnya surut ya, sampai kering. Okay, so we keep stirring it until the coconut milk until kind of little bit dry. See, now is sekarang santannya udah mulai ngentel ya, sudah mulai mengering adonannya. Lihat nasinya. So the coconut milk is kind of little bit dry now. You need to keep stirring it because otherwise it's gonna be the bottom side is gonna be like a burn. So mesti diaduk terus, kalau nggak bagian bawahnya bisa gosong ya. Apinya dikecilin, so lower down the heat. But you need to keep stirring it. Okay. So see, now is the coconut. See, the rice is the coconut milk is dry up. Can be combined with the rice now. So tinggal sebentar lagi apinya matiin. Oke, sekarang apinya sudah cukup mengental. Sekarang apinya matiin. Oke, is thick enough. Now the rice and the coconut milk already thick enough. Now you turn off the heat, but you still keep stirring out to make it everything mixed together like perfectly okay until like this. See, you can see like this, like a thick between the coconut and the rice. Okay. So we have to wait until the rice is a little bit half cold. So kita mesti tunggu sampai setengah dingin. Kita akan kukus ya rice-nya, nasi kuningnya. So we gonna steam the rice after it's half cold. Then we gonna steam the rice using the steamer. See, we prepare the steamer already. When it's half cold, then we gonna put the yellow rice to the steamer. And so we gonna cook it until it's fully cooked. Okay. Ya, setelah adonan nasi kuning tadi sudah cukup setengah dingin, kita pindahkan adonannya ke steamer ya. So after the yellow rice, the boiled rice with the coconut milk a little bit half cold, now we move it to the steamer. See, we move it to the steamer. This is the top, the steamer. The bottom is the water. So we gonna close it, the steamer. Sekarang kita akan tutup steamnya. Okay, then we have to sekarang kita harus cook it dengan api sedang ya selama, karena ini untuk 8 cup beras. Nasi kuningnya it's about selama kira-kira 45 menit. So because this is about 8 cups of the yellow rice, so we have to cook it with the medium heat. It's about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay. Ini sekarang udah 30 menit ya kita masaknya, kita kukusnya. Sekarang kita mau aduk-aduk dulu untuk yakin supaya rata semua matangnya ya. So this is after 30 minutes we steam the rice. So we like mix it, we stir a little bit to make sure everything been cooked. Okay. So sekarang mami lagi aduk-aduk. Nah, is it done, Mom? Okay. So mommy said it's almost finished. So 5 more minutes. So steam at least just only 4-5 minutes. Okay, about 4 to 5 minutes. So jadi mami udah cek, katanya mesti di steam dikit lagi, sebentar lagi sekitar 4-5 menit. Okay. Okay, meantime while we waiting the rice is cooked enough, now we gonna make this like kind of like a shredded egg, but we not shredded it, but we cut it. Okay. This is we prepare two piece of eggs in the bowl. Dan untuk sementara sambil kita nunggu jadi nasinya, kita mau bikin taburan telur di atas nasi ya, buat di atas nasinya. Terus kita ambil 2 telur, kita masukin di bowl. So we crack the egg on the bowl and we put a little bit salt. Kita masukin sedikit garam. Now we mix it. Okay. So kita aduk, kita kocok telurnya. Okay. Kita already masukin garamnya sedikit aja ya. So we put a little bit salt, just a little bit salt to make it taste better. Okay. Setelah rata, after it's mixed together, now we gonna show how to cook this one. Sekarang kita siapin ini apa namanya, penggorengan kecil. Just kita so we prepare a small pan to cook the egg. We spray the pan with spray oil. Kita spray pakai minyak yang spray. Sekarang kita masukin sedikit, kita nyalain apinya. So we put on the heat, just medium heat, don't be too big. Nyalain apinya setengah aja ya, jangan terlalu gede. Okay. Terus kita tunggu agar penggorengannya panas dikit. So we wait until the pan is a little bit hot. Then we gonna pour, just don't put everything together, just pour just a little bit by little. Okay. So kita tuangin sedikit aja ya, sedikit-sedikit, untuk bikin thin slice-nya buat egg-nya, to make the thin slice of eggs. Okay. Okay, sekarang udah panas, kita akan tuangin. Now the pan is hot enough. Now we gonna pour a little bit the egg. Okay, like this much. We spread it out. We spread it out to the whole pan. Itu kita telurnya kita apa ini ya? Telurnya ginilah pokoknya caranya. Okay. Kita tunggu sampai matang. To wait until the egg is cooked now. Make sure it's no more liquid. See, this is still not cooked yet. It's gonna be dry after. So itu kita make sure bahwa egg-nya udah matang ya. Tunggu sebentar, masih basah dikit. Have to wait a little bit. If it's dry enough, then we can flip it out. Okay, kita balik kalau udah cukup kering telurnya. Kalau udah bisa dibalik, lalu kita balik telurnya. Okay, sekarang kita balik telurnya, udah bisa dibalik. Now we flip it the egg so to the other side to make it cook the other side. It's not that long. So then we take out from the pan now. Sekarang kita angkat dari penggorengannya ya. So the eggs is look like this one, thin slice of egg. Okay, we're gonna cut it afterwards. Okay, So eggnya kayak begini ya telurnya ya, jadi tipis-tipis. Ntar kita akan iris-iris setelah itu, oke? Nah, sekarang nasi sudah matang, kita matikan apinya ya. Now the rice is cooked enough. Now we gonna turn off the heat now, oke? Sekarang kita mau siapin nasinya buat ready untuk dimakan, untuk disantap ya. So we gonna prepare the rice in the plate to be ready to enjoy, oke? Nah, sekarang kita siap, kita mau potong-potong iris-iris ya telurnya ya. So we ready to cut slice the egg, oke? Mami kasih lihat nih caranya. Tuh, beberapa telur dadanya digulung. So couple layers, roll up the layers, and then you cut it like this. Small. This looks like kalau dilihat kayak it looks like like a shredded egg ya, but we not shred it, but we just slice it, okay? See, kind of like a shredded. Tuh irisan telurnya. Kita akan taruh di atas nasinya setelah kita taruh di piring ya. So this egg we can put it on the top of the rice after we serve the rice on the plate. So we put this egg on the top of the rice, and then we can also put green onion. Oke, kita juga jadi kita taruh di piring, terus kita taruh bawang goreng di atasnya ya. Oke. Nah, Mami udah selesai potong-potongnya. So Mami already done to cut the egg. See, looks like kind of. Nah, sekarang nasi kuningnya sih udah ready untuk disantap ya. Ini ada pakai cucumbernya. This is the egg, the like shredded egg. Ini ada ikan asin. This is boiled egg with the chili sauce on the top. This is mom homemade chili sauce, okay? Now see, the yellow rice is ready to enjoy. You can add some cucumber as a salad. You put the, you know, the egg, like kind of looks like a shredded egg, but the one we cut it. So we put some of the fried onion on the top, and then with the chili sauce, see, Mami chili sauce on the top of the boiled egg, and on the side too, and some of the, this is like salty fried fish. Okay, so I hope you like it. Then you can subscribe. Semoga kalian enjoy dan menikmati. Silahkan di subscribe ya. Sampai video berikutnya. Until the next video. Okay, see you. Thank you and God bless you.